right, everybody, welcome to another Minute Microscopy. I'm Eric Rosenblatt, and I'd love it if you'd like and share the video and leave a comment down there. That'd be great. So today, I'd like to talk about something I'm extremely knowledgeable about, and that is survival kits. Well, more specifically, how almost all of the prefab kits suck. I'm sure you've seen them in stores or online, those emergency survival kits in a backpack or pouch or bucket or something. Lots of people buy them thinking that's all they'll need to survive. Now, to be fair, something is better than nothing. So if you bought one of these, you're already way ahead of most other people who tend to have no supplies whatsoever. But if you want to have a truly capable emergency kit, you'll have to put it together yourself. See, a lot of the store-bought kits have inadequate gear and supplies and often have substandard critical components. Many of them I've seen have a barely passable first aid kit, which is one of the more important things to have. Ever heard of a tourniquet, people? It's also the case that most of these kits cost way more than they should. Why spend more if you're getting less? So what should you put in your kit? Well, it depends a lot on your situation and particular needs, and of course, the emergency you're expecting to deal with. I've recently done a video about preparedness that you can check out here on this channel if you'd like more elaboration. And I'll probably do more in the future, including the kits I've put together. I actually have 4 main kits: one for winter conditions, one for day hikes, one for use on my sailboat, and one more extensive kit that I guess you could call a bug out bag. I also have a kit for my car, but it's more tool oriented. And I've even made several Altoids tin kits designed for daily carry. This kind of illustrates why you should make your own emergency kit, as different conditions dictate a different set of gear. Pre-made kits are almost universally inadequate. My advice is just avoid them. You want to have a kit that you can depend on in a crisis with supplies you're already familiar with that you know will function when you need them. I guess I really should create some videos detailing my kits, since I suspect most people buy the prefab ones because they don't really have a good idea of what they should put in a kit in the first place. All right, expect that soon.